good afternoon everybody. My name is Rizwan. Okay, I am faculty of Micropark Computer Center. Today I will take one topic regarding macros. Okay, and macro is a very important topic in msword. Okay, and coming to the definition of macro, see, macros are used to record the information, in the memory. Okay, and once if I record the information, whenever you want, you can call that information, and you can either you can read the information or you can take the printout of that. Okay, mainly macros are used for recording the data in the memory. From the memory you can call the information. Okay, and macros are created in three different types. Okay, what are they? You can create by using macro name, button, and keyboard. Okay, these are the three different methods. Now first what I will do, if you want to create a new macro, you go to an option called, first you go to view, then you go to macro, and if you want to create a new macro, you go to record macro. See, in record macro you have three types. One is macro name, button, and keyboard. First you give some name. Suppose you will say micro park. Then you click on OK. Now whatever the information you type, either you can type information related to one resume, or you can type information related to any type of document. Okay, suppose I'll type some information, I'll type. Okay, now whatever you're typing, it's recording in the memory. Okay, now after typing, either you can type one page or 2 page or 3 page, like that. How many pages you want, you can type. This information is stored in the memory. Then what you do, you stop the recording. Okay, Okay, now the recording is stopped. Now if you want to repeat the same data again and again, if you want to repeat the same information again and again you go to view macro, then you have an option called view macro. If you want to repeat, click on run. See, same data is repeated. Okay, now this is the first method. Now coming to second method also same thing. You go to macro, again you go to record macro. Now we have an option called button. Okay, go to button, and then in the button you select one option called normal new window macro. Okay, see, these are the steps you have to follow. Okay, then again you click on add. See, you can see some icons. In this normal new. Okay, now if you want to create some new icons, you go to an option called modify. Okay, go to modify, then whichever icon you want, you can select. Okay, select some icon, then you click on OK. Okay, now actually what is the meaning of this? Means you are setting one icon to the button, then you click on OK. Now before typing, these are the steps you have to set. Then you type the information. Either you can type one sheet or 2 sheets or 3 pages. How many pages you want, you can type. At the last, if you want to stop, click on stop recording. Now if you want to repeat the same information again and again, in the first method you are going to view macro, no? But in second method, directly you go to one, see, this is the toolbar. In the toolbar you have a button which is already created. In this button, whatever the information you have created, no, that will be stored in that. Once if you click, it will be recalled. Okay, how many times you keep on clicking, that number of times the information will be recalled. Okay, this is second method. And one more method, what is one more method? Keyboard. Again, for keyboard also, again you go to macro, again you go to record macro, then you go to keyboard. Okay, for keyboard you are setting the shortcut key. Example, like we say for copy we say Control C, page Control V, like that. For this, don't use Control C, Control V. You use other than that, use other keys. For that, use Control Alt. Okay, Control Alt with any one of the letters. Suppose from A to Z. Suppose I say Control Alt Y. Press all the 3 keys at a time. Then click on assign. Okay, then you click on close. Now first you have to set the shortcut key, then you type. Okay, how many pages you want, you can type. At the last, if you want to stop, click on stop recording. In shortcut key, if you want to repeat the same lines, earlier what shortcut key you have given, that you have to press again. What you have given? Control Alt Y. Correct? See, now it's repeating. Okay, like that, how many times you press the key, that number of times the information will be repeated. If you forgot the shortcut key, gone. Okay, thank you.